Hello guys, so welcome to part 2 of georeferencing. Okay guys, so welcome back. We'll do rectification in this video. We'll also do projections and transformations. So let's continue from where we left off. We had created the 4 points. Now let's do rectification of the georeferencing that we have done. And as it says in the help, it says save. Rectifying is just saving the current work to a new data set. So click on rectify in the georeferencing drop down. Then so here in the output location, we'll give it a location of where we want it to be. And let's say we want it, you can add a folder. Let's call it Naromoru Geo. Then click on add. First give it a name. So let's call it Naromoru Geo. Then click on add. You're supposed to select the folder and then click add. Then you give it a name, so you just call it Naromoru Geo. You don't need to change anything else here, and then save. Okay, so give it time to save the rectified georeference. Okay, that took forever, but we're done. So now we can close this and open our georeferenced map. So we'll just say file. Can just open an empty file, and you don't need to save any changes, so select no. Then now let's go to add data. Then add data, and we'll open Naromoru and select it, then click on add. So we'll just say okay for that. Now what we want to do next is to give it projections and transformations. So if we look at the zone in which our map lies, you can see, let's zoom into this section where they have the marginal elements of the map. So it's in zone 37, as you can see, UTM zone 37. And what you need to know is it in zone 37 north or zone 37 south? So for that we'll check on the map. And as you can see, the lowest part is 0 degrees 15 minutes. This means it's above 0 degrees of the equator. So this we can conclude that it's 0 degrees, it's 37 degrees north of the equator. That's a zone, so it's in zone 37 north. Okay, so let's do our projections and transformations, and we'll go to Arc Toolbox. It's this icon with the red box. Click on it, then give it time to load, and then we'll go next to data management tools. So guys, you can play around with the other tools. So we'll go directly to projections and transformations. Then since it's a raster dataset, we'll go to raster and then select project raster. So double click on it. Good. So this dialog box will open, and now here you're supposed to fill in this bar. So in the input raster, we'll select our geo and click on it, give it time to load. Then the projection, the input coordinate system is unknown. we can give it that. So we'll go to projected. So you follow this pattern, go to projected coordinate systems, go to UTM Africa, then you're going to go to ARC 1960 UTM zone 37 north. Yeah, and I had explained why it's in 37 north. Click OK. Then you can give our new file a new name. So you can call it GeoProject. Marumoru GeoProject. You can give it a good destination of where it should be found. So I'll just create another I'll create a new geodatabase for it. No, I'll create a new folder for it. So let's call it Marumoru just a second. Yeah, just call it Marumoru. Then you can create a geodatabase and call it, name it Marumoru. Okay, then we'll give it a name. We'll give the file name a different name from the input one. So let's call it Marumoru projected then save. Then the output coordinate system, you just select the same one, and a trick would be to save your projected system in the recent area so that you can easily find it. So it was in Africa, ARC 1960 UTM zone 37 north. So we can add it to favorites. Then click OK. So there we have it. Now just click OK and see the magic. So give it time to do its work.
One eternity later.
And voila, you should see some tick here showing that the process was successful, and you can click on it to see. So the projection was successful, and now you can open our projected file dataset. So let's close the rest. Let's click OK. No, let's not save. So let's open it. So you can easily find it on the catalog side, but we don't have to go adding data. So it's in Marumoru here on this side. Then add, then we'll just drag it, and as you can see at the bottom here, the units have changed from unknown units to meters. And let us confirm if now we have the correct coordinates. If we hover onto this area, it shows 278 and 997 3, and on the bottom it also shows the same. So as you can see, now we have correctly projected our map. If you incorrectly project it, maybe perhaps you put that 7 degrees, perhaps you put that 7 south, it will give you an error and you'll have to repeat it. Okay guys, so in our next video we hope to do since we are done with georeferencing, we hope to do digitizing. So this will involve creating of features from the map, and this can be in lines, points, polygons. So for that, see you in the next video. Bye.